Hey everybody, welcome to Chris's Tips, Tricks, and Things. Today I'm going to show you how to change an ordinary piece of plastic into an ordinary piece of plastic that looks like brushed steel. This is a super simple technique. All you really need is some aluminum foil tape, scissors, pen, and a Scotch-Brite pad. Cut a piece of tape and then stick one edge to the plastic tube, lining it up as straight as possible. Grab your pen and begin to rub down the tape, starting at the front edge and working your way around. If your tape isn't wide enough to cover the whole tube, you can just add another one, lining up the edges as carefully as possible. The last strip of tape is going to end up overlapping the first. But before I put that one on there, I want to deal with the tape at the end of the tube so it doesn't interfere. There's two different things you can do here. You can either cut it flush with the tube and leave the plastic showing on the end, or you can fold it over the end of the tube and burnish it down as best as possible with your pen. Once that's done, the last strip of tape can go on and you've got a shiny metal tube. Okay, now it's time for the brushed look. The reason I'm using a Scotch-Brite pad here instead of, say, sandpaper is that the softness of it allows it to follow any irregularities in the tape surface. So just give that tube a spin while you're holding the Scotch-Brite pad around it, and boom, you've got brushed steel. Well, actually aluminum. Or aluminium, depending where you live in this world. Oh yeah, and you might want to wipe it down with a rag so you don't get that aluminum dust all over you. You can use this technique to make all kinds of things look like brushed steel. Just make sure they're made from something hard and don't have complex curves. For example, don't do it on a banana. Hey, I hope that was helpful for you. Might not be something that you need right now, but you just kind of stick it in your brain, and then when all of a sudden you do need it, you've got it in your brain ready to go. It's just a little technique I kind of came up with when I needed to make a lightsaber for a Luke Skywalker costume I was doing, and I didn't have very much time to do it, and I needed it to look like brushed steel, so that's what I did, and I think it turned out pretty good. Which actually, here's a question. Do you guys want to see a tutorial on how I made this? I'd have to sort of change some of the parts to more worldwidely available, because these were just things that I had in my basement, but I could probably do a tutorial on that if you want. If you would, leave a comment in the comments box section. If not, you also could leave a comment in the comments section. Then I know sort of the ratio of the interest level. Ratios are good. Okay, see you guys. Thanks for watching. You're the best. Bye-bye.